take a while to respawn, so I was just gonna move along.
Shit, bullshit.
Come on.
Give me the benefit of the doubt. What the hell?
What?
Oh, I'm here. Never mind.
Where did you think he was?
Dead. Couldn't see myself, alright? Yeah. Fly.
I think we're gonna die here. We died.
Well, counting on it. Oh shit.
Oh, very dead.
Oh.
That was the end?
Yeah, of that area anyway.
Die here. The end. Huh?
Oh, James got more bolts.
I killed one enemy.
See, I'm such a team player. 150 co-op points.
Most deaths again.
Oh yeah.
Wasn't Noob Chris's most famous rank before?
Yeah.
I see.
Typical.
Right, any new weapons?
Any shield yet?
No. Nothing yet.
I do have a shield though, don't I?
Yeah, you have it. You just need to fully upgrade it for the trophy and that. Make it
How do I use
easier.
my shield?
You have to equip it first. But there's no point because it's absolutely tossed until you upgrade it.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out which one I'm guessing that's a shield.
The quantum deflector.
James. You're such an ass.
I didn't do it on purpose.
Now I get to spawn. Woo.
Oh, Chris.
Oh.
Bye, guys.
Whoa.
Oh.
I thought I actually jumped off the bridge then.
Would have been so awesome if he ate you.
No, it wouldn't.
Sucker.
What a scheme! By the way, you might want to avoid the shit like those broken boats and that. And these, well, these are just boxes. You can grab these.
Oh, a jump.
So can you actually like do something here?
Uh-oh.
You can jump above the mines. You can.
You say that before.
You can not get eaten by the King Sepiad.
What?
That giant fish-like monster that's trying to eat us.
Ow.
You can do what with it?
You can try not to get eaten by it.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
Whee!
Fuck. Nah.
I think I'm going into it fucking pause.
You can actually double jump on here as well.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
The boat's fucked! Lol, and James is right at the back. Bye, James. Oh.
I've been at the back the whole time. I don't know how to catch up.
You can't, it's just the way it is. Spin!
Whoa. I'm dizzy.
You would be.
There's no way you would have caught the boat again.
Uh-oh.
Boing.
Oh crap! I like how we all go through it.
Yeah, but I'm almost dead.
But yeah.
Details! Nice knowing you, Chris.
Good, Tommy did that.
Oh, we've
I
got
spawned
some random joining.
What?
We've got a random joining the game.
Really?
Yeah. Someone called
Where did it say
Angel
that?
Shadow something.
Shit, I got eaten.
Up top. Bye, James.
Shadow something?
Angel something or other. You'll join at the next checkpoint. Chris, triangle, Chris, triangle!
Whee!
We're gonna get eaten.
Nah. See? Perfect. Do I need a whole triangle? No.
Nah.
Nah.
It'll rejoin us automatically.
Whee!
Why am I always at the back?
Bye, guys.
Oh.
I avoided it that time.
You stop taking all the boxes.
I'm not. Oh, crap. Oh, no, I thought I missed it then. Yeah.
I don't know how I survived. Oh shit.
Happy
Yeah, what you got?
He's throwing a boat now? That's new.
He tried it a couple times before. I'll just stand here and do nothing.
He's under us.
Oh.
He got me as well.
Nah.
In fact, he just did a shit load.
Oh shit.
You were saying?
Yeah. I was saying that he was gonna eat me.
Right.
So we're gonna do this until we defeat him.
No. I think this was the last one.
Alright.
The now. Oh, he's been dropped. Angel's lady.
How did I miss all of those boxes?
I have no idea. I can't even get them myself.
I'm at the back, it sucks for me. I have to hope that you don't miss them. Whoa.
Oh, I missed the jump.
Could you slow down so my orbs can hit me, please? Fucking boat.
We have to hit this ramp, hit the ramp, hit the ramp! James!
What?
Hit the ramp!
Yeah!
James, collect the critters so you get the 800 volts.
Alright, I'm gonna need 2 seconds to go get some food. Alright?
Yeah.
Yep.
There's some here. No, there's one here as well.
Yeah.
Collect your boxes.
Yeah.
Get your health. And then there's this critter here. And then we walk off screen so Chris dies. And we can carry on.
I'm not mean.
I'll get there eventually. Oh, what the fuck? Oh my days, I fell for. Oh no.
Now we walk off the screen. Nice. Yeah, that worked, didn't it?
I fell through the thingy. I'm gonna see if I can do that again. All I did was jump and then just like drop me through the bridge.
I guess there's a hole there.
No, I can't see one. God, I've almost got him out the screen.
Yeah.
Oh, James. I don't trust you. If I jump, I know exactly where you'll shoot me. Yeah, you ain't gonna get me, buddy. Are you literally just trying to kill me?
Maybe.
Ain't gonna work.
So close that time.
You were closer, but you know, still couldn't do it.
Oh, well,
Sorry about that, lads.
Hello. Yeah, don't worry.
Hello.
You didn't miss anything good.
Alright.
just Sam trying to kill you and killing himself in the process.
No, no, no. Nothing
sounds
like
like
that
something.
happened. Bye,
Oh,
Chris.
come on.
So where's this Randy?
Hey?
Where's the...
Huh?
What the hell
He
happened?
left. He got.
Oh yeah, the other guy left.
Oh, black screen then.
Like, see, that could have been us. Run! Run!
What? Oh, circle. What?
Balls.
What the...
You're supposed to
Bye.
connect the bridges so you can run off.
Yeah, I knew that.
Okay.
How are we running up a wall?
Magnetic boots.
Hop in.
Now we gotta kill him. You know those electric toad things?
Yeah.
Well, we're basically gonna have to feed him them. Everyone equip your rocket launcher.
Got it.
Ah!
No.
Okay,
Ow.
Ow,
equip
ow,
your
ow.
electric gun again. No, you want your electric gun with